how to install Waze application on Android device.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
So if you are on Android phone, you have to go to the Play Store, and if you are in iPhone, you just have to go to the App Store, and then there at the search bar search for Waze application and find it, locate it and tap on install. Here I have already installed it to save the time, and then you will have to tap on open. So then after you just have to allow some of the permissions, and you will be able to log in or sign up to the Waze application. So after it get installed, you will be able to see it on your home screen as you can see here.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.